it's Lisa, and today I have a look for you that is perfect no matter what your New Year's Eve plans are, whether you're going in, staying out, doing something formal, casual, or in between. So with that said, if you want to see how to get this look, then just keep on watching. So this makeup features an eye look that is inspired by one of my favorite things in the world, the moon. But before we do that, I'm just going to go ahead and prime my skin using one mattifying and one glowy primer. Next up, I'm going in with my Dior Backstage Face and Body Foundation. I've raved about this foundation like all year. It is silky, leaves your skin flawless, comfortable, and blends like a dream. So I typically apply the kind of lip balm that you get out of a pot and put on with your finger, but that can get kind of sticky sometimes, which is why I'm so happy to have found this coconut lip balm by Nat's Organic Lab, which as you can see is super moisturizing and nourishing and much easier to use, not to mention clean. Highly recommend it even if you've got no plans of getting kissed on New Year's Eve. Next up, I'm going to be brushing and filling in my brows using my favorite Too Faced Brownie pencil. This stuff is amazing, I've talked about it all year. Then I'm just going to be brushing out one more time and setting into place and brushing yet again just because it is so satisfying and I love tidy brows. Then, if you want to brighten your eyes, the first place to start is your inner corners. You may not realize it, but this is where darkness collects the most. Since this is a slightly cool toned look, instead of using a bronzer for a crease color, I'm going to be using this taupe colored shadow slash bronzer from NYX that's really affordable and amazing, and just sweeping that into my crease and under my lash line. Next, to really kick things into gear, grab your favorite black eyeliner and just line very roughly across your top lash line and make a little scribble in the corner before using your ring finger to just start blending that out very gently. Make this look super smoldering and intense, I'm also going to be taking that liner underneath my lower lash line. It doesn't have to be tidy again because we're just going to be taking our blending brush and going over all of that once more. After I've filled in my waterline using that same black eyeliner, I'm going to be taking the silvery white shimmery shadow from e.l.f. So again, super affordable, very silky, and just applying that into my inner corner, and then using my pinky, I'm going to be placing it onto my top lid on top of the already smokiness we've got going on for a half moon effect. Finally, I'm just going to be curling my lashes and applying my favorite mascara of the moment. This one is by Wander Beauty and I will have it listed down below. I highly recommend it. And then just using that same silvery white shadow on my brow bone because it's New Year's Eve, so why not? Then to make our face look super flawless, I'm going to be using this stick concealer by Cle De Peau. It is on the pricey side, but it is so long lasting, the coverage is amazing, and it blends super silky, so I just love it and could not recommend it enough. Then, to tie the look together and add a bit of dimension, I'm going to be taking that same taupe colored eyeshadow slash bronzer from NYX and just taking that from my temple to my cheekbone to my jawline in a 3-shape motion using a super fluffy brush. I'm also going to be dusting some under my nose and under my lower lip, which actually makes your lips look plumper. For the lips, I'm going to first start by slightly overlining my top and bottom lips using this rose-colored lip pencil. Then I'm going to go over top using 2 different lipsticks. I'll have all the products listed down below for you to try, but the idea is basically a baby pink lip to go with a silvery gray eye. Finally, I'm just going to lock in that baby pink color using a matching baby pink lip gloss, and then going over top of that in just the center of my top and bottom lips using this Razzle Dazzle lip gloss by MAC. It has a sort of rainbow sparkle to it, so you can't put it everywhere. I mean, you could, but I just want to put it in the center for that extra oomph. Then I'm just going to set my makeup, and that completes this half moon inspired look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this. Have a happy new year. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Make it a night you remember.